Actually, you want to pop these down by pushing in some metal clips here and here. Put it over here. I put it up this end, it's just like a fiberglass rod, and then out this end, so from the smallest space to the largest. Pull the cable in and out here. Then you want to cut out and glue in the lights that you want to use. You want to put some connectors on both sides and make sure they're opposite so you've got easy connection. Check also, because most LEDs have polarity, so the positive and negative are must be matched. So make sure that you use like a 9-volt battery or something to test the light. The positive to the red and blue, and the negative to the blue and white stripe, and this is from the 6-pin connector. So if you hook it up just like I've shown you, what will happen is if you unlock the car, the lights in the engine bay will come on, and it'll just be like any other courtesy light, like the ones in your door.